Hi there, and welcome to A Happier, Healthier Me. My name is Eeshi-Ra. I have a question for you. If you're watching this video, I'm wondering if you've been trying lots of different things. Maybe you've been trying some health supplements, some breathing apps, some sleep tips, health tips, but things aren't quite working for you. And you feel there's something missing. Well, maybe that is because many of the things out there on offer in the world are treating one symptom. And they're not actually treating at the root causal level. They're not going deep right to what is challenging your body. What is it that you really need? And I've seen it firsthand as a nurse at Great Ormond Street Hospital in London. Whilst medicine can be incredible in many ways, there was a lot of suffering, and what I noticed was so many pills and procedures, but they didn't really fix the issue in many cases. So in 1991, I made a choice to go on a healing journey. I quit meat, I went vegetarian, I left London, and I started researching natural ways of healing the body. And I've never stopped. I got into body work, trained in many different kinds of massage, sports massage, injury prevention massage, aromatherapy. And then in 2001, I got on my path for sound healing. So here we are in 2026. So I have 25 years of working with sound. And what I love about sound is working with precise frequency, which directly speaks to the body. And it gets amazing results. Globally, I have taught over 1,700 students. I've worked with many clients internationally. I've taught at universities, presented at conferences, summits, expos, and different community events and festivals. And I've created many different tuning fork modalities and healing modalities, drawing on my experience also as a singer and feeling what feels good in my body. I've created eBooks, audios, online courses to support people at every step on their healing journey. And the modalities I've created are working with precise frequency. Because when we speak to the body with precise frequency, the body recognizes that. The body is precisely tuned, and it can so easily heal and rebalance and harmonize. So I have 3 decades of learning how to heal the body naturally. And this is why I've created A Happier, Healthier Me. So how does it work? Well, you download the app, and it will take you through a series of questions. It will ask you about your health goals and ask you to name the top 3 health challenges that you'd like to work with. And the app takes all of that in, and it develops a personal plan just for you. And it looks at where you are now, what is it you need, and where do you want to be. So it tracks your progress. Each day you get practical sessions, tune in with the body. You get a breathwork session, a sound healing session, and also many different health tips. And I've got lots of interactive quizzes, so you can check in with, am I getting enough nutrition? Am I getting what my body needs? And what I love about the app is, say you've only got 10 minutes in your day, 15 minutes, then you can set the app, okay, that's how long I've got. Or maybe you've got a bit longer, 30 minutes, great. So you can have breathwork to calm, sound to harmonize, and beautiful frequencies to get off to sleep. And then in the evening, you have an opportunity to do an evening reflection. What is it that you learned through the day? What guidance did you receive? Whether that was divine, spiritual guidance, or body-led guidance, body-led wisdom. What was your body saying to you? Oh, actually, maybe you need to quit eating this food. And, oh, I need to drink more water. Or maybe I need to back off on the coffee a little bit. And none of this is filler. It's drawn from decades of experience doing the real work with real people. Sound is such an amazing tool because it helps us feel. It helps vibrate what is present. And as we do that, we get more tuned in with our body and how we're feeling. So we can get more body wisdom. So we can get guided by what is it our body's telling us. And the app is great because it tracks your progress. So it looks at stress levels, your sleep, your mood. And so in real time, you can actually see changes. And it's blending the science with the intuitive. My whole career is blending evidence-based methods and body-led wisdom. So it's a perfect combination. And the app brings this to you every single day. So if you're ready to stop managing symptoms and start actually healing at that root level, then I invite you to download A Happier, Healthier Me, take the quiz, and take the first step to healing your body naturally with sound, breath work, amazing health tips, and so much more. Thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you on the inside.